The first type of damage we will repair consists of scratches that are barely felt by the finger but not through to the color. One could sand and rub the finish, but in some cases rubbing is not desirable, especially when the lacquer was not rubbed at the factory. An alternate solution is to get the lacquer to reliquefy. A wet surface cannot hold a scratch unless the scratch goes all the way down to the substrate, or unless the lacquer is so thin that there is not enough to flow over the scratched area. The lacquer can be reliquefied by using blender flow-out aerosols or blush retarder aerosols, such as No Blush Plus and Super Blush Retarder. Their slow-drying formulas will allow time for the lacquer to flow out to a smoother texture. Another common problem is caused when packing materials shift back and forth in shipping and rub against the finish, causing slight scratches. These scratches can also be eliminated with No Blush or blender flow-out. Many of the flat finishes will require No Blush Blender Flat. Sometimes light surface abrasions cause shiny rub marks on low sheen finishes. These marks can be seen but not felt. They are easily cured by a light misting of No Blush Blender Flat. Usually only one application is needed. It is important that you do not apply a heavy wet coat.